Accounting management allows to account for the support activity performed and get useful reports for billing. For pay-per-use contracts, it is possible to define costs and duration of individual timeshots, and a minimum duration below which connections are not considered. Contracts must then be associated with groups in the address book, and in this way the console automatically calculates the costs to be charged to customers. For each connection, an extra duration can also be added. For any assistance provided outside the connection with Supremo, the cost is then recalculated based on the defined fee schedule. It is possible to add notes and then mark the assistance as accounted for. The little icon turns green. By clicking on Calculate Totals, you can check the total hours and costs already accounted for and the total yet to be accounted for. All assistance can be accounted for at once by clicking on Account for All. Exporting to CSV allows the extracted data to be imported to third-party management systems or software.